In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now you need to tap on Lock Screen and pick one of those login methods by clicking on the best one for you: PIN, password, or pattern. Then it's time to create it, and if you made a mistake, click Retry at the bottom left corner. Then repeat it to confirm it after clicking Continue. After entering your current login method correctly twice, hit Confirm again. And last but not least, adjust the notifications options however you want to. Then select Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!